Here, the Emmeling Planning Company shows maintenance on a drinking water reservoir with microsilicon coated special concrete. The area to be maintained was approximately 95 by 70 meters and 6.8 meters high. The nominal content was 30,000 cubic meters. The tank was constructed in 1974 and maintenance work was carried out on it in 2010. EPL Limited carried out exacting analyses of the ground, wall and ceiling areas, and the results were recorded. These analyses are needed to guarantee goal-oriented planning. The contract was given to the most cost-effective firm, namely Wiedemann. The firm Wiedemann carried out all the work of removal of the old layer, renewal of the ground and wall layers, as well as insertion of the joint constructions and the replacement of parts made of high-quality steel. The subsurface preparation and removal of the surface was carried out by robots up to 3,000 bar. High-pressure water blasting was used on all the wall areas. The core of the mass concrete was laid open and applied to all the wall surfaces. The slams on the ground were removed and disposed of. The walls were sprayed with dry spray concrete and with microsilicon additives. This microsilicon causes an additional hardening of the cement. From easily soluble calcium hydroxide, hardly soluble calcium silicate hydrate is formed, which greatly improves pressure and resistance to hydrolysis. EPL chose to use a purely mineral building material, DIN 1508 and DVGW 300, a product of its producer Corridor. After application of the dry sprayed concrete, the first rough calibration of the upper surface is carried out. Secondly, the upper surface is adjusted and smoothed out. Thirdly, machine compacting follows. 100% sealing of the pores follows, resulting in a very smooth upper surface. As far as the joints are concerned, ductile and movement construction joints were used. The ductile construction joints were cemented in and later reworked with sprayed mortar. Curing was affected by humidifiers. The humidity was more than 90%. After 28 days, the wall surfaces were tapped to detect possible hollow places. The prepared subsurface ground areas were cleaned and then an adhesive slam applied. To the adhesive slam, a wet microsilicone coat of coated cement was then applied. To allow the water to drain away, surface leveling was carried out. Therefore, a groove formed in the middle. The coat of cement applied to the slope was then smoothed out by machine . Compacted . And then machine leveled. In order to achieve a particularly good ground quality, the reworking was carried out with the help of foil. Quality tests made on building parts and building materials produced very good results. Therefore ensuring that in the next 50 years, drinking water of an excellent quality can be provided.